All right, so this morning a couple times we've had the story about Boise coming in 5th for the best recreational spot in the country. 5th. Here's who beat us out.
Okay,
Cincinnati, Omaha.
Okay. Omaha.
They don't have any mountains
That's
there.
surprising. Scottsdale's really
and
nice.
Tampa.
Tampa. Okay.
Yeah, but everything's so spread out.
I don't know. That's really surprising to me.
What's in Cincinnati?
Yeah. I've been there.
WKRP.
I don't want to offend anyone from Ohio.
WKRP. Bob's dating us here.
Okay.
Well, let's check out weather. Our weather will be almost Chamber of Commerce type weather much of the day. However, we could see some thunderstorms develop later on this afternoon. Could be kind of interesting. We could even have some active weather for tomorrow morning as well. Here's our weather headlines, and we're looking at, well, the possibility of some new fires, a red flag warning in effect for firefighters, some afternoon thunder, and some drier conditions coming our way for next week. There's a live look outside. We have just a smattering of clouds off in the distance. Generally, we're looking at some pretty nice conditions out there this morning. 71 degrees, winds are light, humidity quite high. It feels a little bit muggy out there, 41% humidity. For this Wednesday, July the 8th, 2015, we're looking for a forecasted high of 89 degrees, the low 68, normals 90 and 59 degrees. The record high in the state, 103, set back in 1968. We do have some advisories in effect. We have a flash flood warning, or watch, excuse me. That's kind of like a heads up for possible flash flooding for later on today. That's in Nevada, and also just over the border in Wyoming, they also have a flash flood watch. Generally, the atmosphere is juiced up with a lot of moisture, a lot of precipitable water. Boy, that's easy to say at this hour in the morning. That means there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere with some good daytime heating. We could see some thunderstorms develop. And the characteristics, they could produce a lot of rain in a short amount of time. Also, the possibility of some thunder and some lightning, and that's why we have a red flag warning in effect. That includes Jordan Valley and Ontario. That's until midnight tonight. All right, water vapor, we have a couple features going on here. We have a low pressure system right here in northern Nevada. We also have a low pressure trough dropping into northern Idaho. And in between the two, we're going to be kind of squeezed. And with some heating of the day, some showers and some thunderstorms could develop, mainly, of course, over our nearby mountains, which tend to heat up faster to the north and to the south, but it's possible one of those could drift over our area later in the afternoon. So if you're heading to Alive after 5, kind of keep an eye to the sky. Again, we could see those thunderstorms develop during the warmest part of the day, right there Thursday, just before 5 o'clock. And showers a little bit more widespread on Friday, so a better chance of seeing some actual precipitation on Friday. And here is our future radar. As we go through the time steps here, you'll see the showers develop with the heating of the day, mountains to the east and northeast, and also the mountains to our southwest most favored. Also the Magic Valley could see a little bit more action than what we'll see here in Boise. Here's our regional forecast, some scattered showers, thunderstorms this afternoon. For Sun Valley, rain and isolated thunderstorms, and it could be kind of active around McCall and Cascade, rain and some isolated thunderstorms as well. Partly cloudy skies for the western end of the valley, not as much action over in the western end of the valley like around Ontario, Payette, and also Canyon County, but Boise eastward and southeastward could see some scattered showers, some isolated thunderstorms. Here's our extended forecast that it calls for. 30% chance some actual precipitation, better chance of being affected by maybe some thunderstorm winds at the very least. Our best chance of precip on Friday, Saturday to a lesser extent, 30% chance. Also a bit cooler on Friday and Saturday, highs only near 83. That's the Weather.